All right, so guys, this is number 17 out of 2.8, and it says use the graph to evaluate the following expressions. So for the first part here, we're trying to find f composed with g of 1. So remember, when I see this part here, the way I'm going to write it, I'm going to write f of g of 1. Okay, so remember what g of 1 means. G of 1 means we're looking for the y value of g when x equals 1, okay? So g is the red graph. So when x equals 1, which is right here, I'm going to go up, and the y value we hit is 2. So this is telling me f of 2. Now what this means is now I want the y value of f when x equals 2. So what I'm going to do now is when x equals 2, which is right there, I'm going to go down until I hit f, and that's going to be negative 2. So f of 2 equals negative 2. So my answer for the first part is going to be negative 2. Now let's do part B. Okay, part B says let's find g of f of 0, which means g of f of 0. Okay, remember how I'm going to do this part. I'm going to go to the function f when x equals 0. So I'm going to go straight down, negative 2. Okay, that's the number that we ended up hitting. Now at negative 2, I'm going to go to negative 2 on the x-axis. Here we go. Let's go down. What do we hit? Negative 1. So for part B, my answer is negative 1. Okay. Let's do the same thing for part C. Okay. So for part C, we have g of 0. Okay. Don't be concerned that there's two g's. It's okay. G of 0. Remember what this means. We're going to go to 0. We're going to go up. Oops. We're going to go up. We hit the graph. We get 1. Now g of 1. All that means I'm going to come back to my graph. I'm going to go to 1. I'm going to go up. What do we hit? We hit 2. So remember what we got for part B. For part B, we came up with 1, and or negative 1, I'm sorry. And for part C, we came up with 2. So look, negative 2, negative 1, and 2. Those are my answers. So I'm going to come back over here. And let's see, what do we get for the first one again? Oh man, I already forgot. We got negative 2. Okay. So right here, I'm going to type in negative 2. Check it. We got it. The next one we came up with, I want to say negative 1. We got it. And the third one we came up with was 2. And so I'm going to plug it right here. We got 2. Plug it in, and we got it. Okay, so if you got questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.